Welcome back, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. We got a beautiful episode for you today. Stick around for the full episode if you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, and I promise you'll feel more calm, more at ease. Get to play some soothing sounds for you with some guided breathing and positive affirmations to let go of self-limiting beliefs and thought patterns. Come back to abundance. Come back to the limitless nature that is this life. Come back to love and light. That being said, get comfortable. Get in a nice seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture. Closing your eyes, becoming aware of my voice, aware of how you feel. Witnessing and welcoming any sensations in the body, energy level, happiness level. Checking the gratitude levels. Oftentimes when we struggle, gratitude is so far away that we lose sight of the blessings that is already here. The prayers that have already been answered, the blessings that we were dreaming about that actually came true, and we totally forgot that we were even wanting that for so long, and it's here. Relaxing your belly, relaxing your face, relaxing your mind and your heart, relaxing the anxieties, feeling anxiety starting to simmer down, letting go of anger, any anger that you've been holding, releasing it in the most beautiful way by thanking it, telling the anger you can be free now. You don't have to stay with me anymore. Coming back into compassion for the suffering of yourself and all the billions of people that are going through some sort of suffering today in one way or another. Coming into this present moment as you connect to your breath, locating where in the body is your breath. our old elusive friend breath, oftentimes eluding us, but not right now. Catching hold of the breath as you take an inhale, aware that you're breathing in, and exhale with awareness. Very nice. Mindfully taking a deep breath in and mindfully exhaling, releasing stress. Taking a deep breath in and exhaling. Inhaling new life, new energy. And exhaling old life, old energy. Breathing in love. And exhaling, letting go of fear. Breathing in trust in the unfolding of life. And exhaling worry in the unfolding of life. You know, worry is not the most helpful thing to be doing all the time. Letting go of that pattern of thinking which is always concerned about the future. Just having some more trust. Feeling a trusting energy starting to fill up inside your heart, spreading to the mind, spreading throughout the body. A feeling of trust that everything is as it's supposed to be. Taking a deep breath in and the deep breath out. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhaling even slower, even softer. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Let your mind be totally free. letting go of thoughts, coming back into your body, aware of your posture, aware of this present moment, aware that you're alive and that you've lived to see another day and that it won't always be that way. Cherishing today as if it's the first and the last day of your life, and thus be filled with wonder, curiosity, gratefulness. Relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your face, relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead, the eyes, letting the eyes be closed as you look in, feeling your heart, feeling the beauty that you have already inside, relaxing the belly, feeling contact with the chair, the ground beneath you, taking a deep, present breath. Hold and exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Relaxing, coming into this present moment as you take another deep breath and exhale. Becoming aware of your posture. Aware of your space. You can gently open the eyes, recognizing how you feel, noticing how that may be different than when you first sat down. The color for today is aqua. The number, by the way, is aqua a color? You can let me know in the comments if that's a real color. Color for today is aqua, whether it's a color or not. The number is 14, and the animal is a tree frog. Feeling a subtle joyfulness starting to descend into the body, melting away all of this negativity, criticism, guilt, shame, whatsoever you've been holding on to, feeling it leave the mind, leave the body, and in its place, more love that's already there, always there. Just underneath the anxieties, the anger, we are already that which we are seeking. I thank you for joining me across time and space. Wishing you a beautiful day, wishing you a beautiful evening, wishing you lots of love and light, sending you a big hug. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.